So guys, I'm just gonna plate up some for you. You see that? Smells so good. On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you a egg only fried rice, egg fried rice. But let me pause right here to say special thanks to my patrons that have been making my page possible. If you would like to be a part of my Patreon family, check in the description and click on the link and check out our Patreon page. Post notification shoutouts today, right up there. So right here I've got some rice. It's jasmine that I cook. It's coming definitely from the refrigerator. And you know, the refrigerator rice is always best to do the fried rice. But you can use your regular, you can just cook it depending on how you cook it. But this one, it's better because it got all that. It's just better. I know why, but at this point I can't even hardly explain it. I'm tight on, but it's better. So right here I've got me 5 small eggs. You could use 6. So I'm gonna be just whisking them out. And also as I whisk them, I want to season them. I want to season it as I go along. So I'm gonna be whisking out and come back. So I have just chopped me some Scotch bonnet pepper. This is going to make my fried rice be spicy. So it will be spicy egg fried rice. I'm not putting any ginger. I'm gonna use the heat from the Scotch bonnet pepper to substitute the ginger. Okay, some garlic. I'm putting in 4 small pegs of garlic, and it's up to you how much you want to put. Okay, I'll be cutting up some scallions, green and the white, but I'll be using some in the latter part of the video. When it's finished, I'll be using some, let me say, for garnish, and I'll be using some right now in the egg mixture. So I'm really spicing up right now my egg mixture. My wok is over there, my skillet is over there, and it's been heating up. Okay, I'm getting my scallions done. So putting some of this now into my egg mixture. I'm seasoning up my egg mixture, fam. It's all up to you. Everybody do their thing different. I'm making a mess right here. I think I'm really a bit tired whilst doing this tutorial, but I will live. So I'm going to be putting in some salt. Putting in about a teaspoon of salt because I've just cooked my rice with salt, nothing else. This is some basil, and I'll be adding some basil. So this is how I'm seasoning up my eggs. You know, I like to season my eggs for egg fried rice only, and this can be such a beautiful dish when you have enough eggs and they are properly seasoned with a little spice to taste. Also, I'm adding some black pepper. Okay, so maybe we might want a little extra, but we're going to turn our attention to our skillet. Right here I've got my skillet well heated. I'm going to pour some olive oil because I want my egg to go into like a sizzling skillet. Okay, and you know, so we scramble the egg first, and that's what is happening. It's sizzling. This one is so heavy. The skillet is really thick. The bottom is thick. So here we go, scrambling our eggs with our scallions and our spices and all of that inside there. I don't want them to be too dried out. But you didn't get a scissor, family. The pot was telling me that it's hot, but the oil wasn't hot enough for the oil. Because this thing is really thick, I tell you. Let me get my flame down because I don't want my eggs them drying out. But I want my eggs to be properly scrambled to get my rice in. And I don't want them being too dry. I don't want them get too dry out before I put in my rice. So with my thing on the low, I'm gonna empty out all my rice inside here. I think this is about like a cup and a quarter of rice. It's jasmine, it's really cold. The rice in, I'm just gonna be adding some more olive oil, and I'm gonna add it around the edges of the skillet right here. Now it's time for me to add some soy sauce using the mushroom flavored one, and I think I'll just add some and then see how my color looks, and then I'll go back to continue adding a little more of my olive oil. Would be still good. And I'll continue to just start mixing in, and you can add your soy sauce, you can add it to your liking. I really don't like my fried rice, whether egg fried rice, chicken, any form of fried rice, I don't like it too white. So I think this is fine for me, so I'll just go and get all my lumps and just put it out, mixing it in quite well with the egg, and the eggs are still holding their own. They have not dried out. Yeah. I had to go for my pounder family because it's doing a better job, because my rice was so cold. Actually, you see, these are the egg pieces you're seeing. So now I'll add the rest of my green scallions. And while it's adding, your heat should be up right now. Yeah. And you see that little sheen on your rice. You want to taste now for salt. Maybe you want a little extra salt and a little more black pepper. So I'm gonna go do that. So our salt intake is good, fam. So we just put in a little extra black pepper. That's just it. It's good. Nice and spicy with that Scotch bonnet pepper. And you can see this is not a hard dish to make. Just have some leftover rice, or you make yourself some ahead of time. We are going back now to this. Rest of our green scallions are in, and that's just it. This is our egg fried rice. It's always so tasty, so nice, and you serve this hot, it's better. I'm gonna plate up some for you in the next clip. So guys, I'm just gonna plate up some for you. You see that? Smells so good. Lots of egg inside there. Plating up some just for you. This is a dish on its own. It doesn't need no protein. The egg is in there. That's the protein. Easy, just so easy. Easy, easy. So from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your palate, and most of all to your stomach, it is egg fried rice. So easy, so flavorful. Top it up with a little Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. Make, twist and turn it, and make it your own. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. I'll catch you again with another video.